Okay, here's the ceiling fan that is installed in the family room. It's an old Jacksonville. And it's been here since about 2002 or thereabouts. Oh yeah, ignore the water stain on the ceiling. That's what happens when the drain pan overflows. That was a few years ago. I got the dimmer for the lights and it's on a 4-speed control. Uh-oh. Looks like we may have lost a light bulb. That kind of stinks. Not that I'm super surprised about that. We'll go low. It used to have a bull chain extension on it, but that broke. So it's a good thing it has the control. And Grace wants to go back outside. You can go back outside, Gracie girl. Come on. Let's go outside. She likes to be outside. And this should be your medium low, but it's actually the factory medium. Kind of strange. Ow. There's medium high. And high. Look at that motor torque up. It's not the best fan I've ever had, but it does the job. And does it well, mind you. I have to replace that light bulb. Spin down, which is going to take forever in 3 days. Although it does at first lose speed pretty quickly just because of all the dust that's built up on it, but it's 20 feet up in the air, so I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to get up there and fix that. Looks like it's going a little faster in the camera than it actually is. Maybe not. I still have to get up there and fix the ceiling problem, but that's gonna be another day. Maybe another video. Maybe I'll film when that gets fixed. Let's see. Okay. It's time spinning down, that's for sure. I don't know if I'll be able to film the fan in the master bedroom or not. I'll ask my mom, but I wouldn't count on it. But if I can't, it's a bronze Harbor Breeze Bellhaven. It's been there since God knows when it was here when we bought the house. I think this fan's a little small for this room, much like the Medilli, but that is 20 feet up there, so how am I supposed to replace it? Oh yeah, not. So it's still there for now. Takes sweet time spinning down, that's for sure. Come on. Jeez. Doesn't matter, it didn't actually pick up a little speed just then. It's probably just me. At least we know the bearings are good. I mean, that's the positive side of things right now. It's taking forever to stop, though. Jeez. At least we know the bearings are good. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's about to stop, thank God. There we go. And now it's going backwards. At least we know the bearings are free. Okay, well that's it for the living room fan.